Answer to question 11. We have question state that a school has 30 teachers, and then we also have B, we have C, we have D. So let us consider A first. The total number of teachers is 30. Of teachers, we have 30. So that's 30, and then we are given the ratio of female to male. Female to male is equal to 3:2. The first thing we have to do is that we add the ratio together. So we can call total ratio. Which is equal to 5. That is 3 plus 2. So we need to consider the number of female and the number of male. So the number of female is going to be 3/5 multiplied by 30, which is the total number of teachers. So when we do this one, 5 goes here, 1, 5 goes here in 30, 6. So we are going to have 3 multiplied by 6, which is equal to 18. The number of female we are having is 18. So that is the female. So let us indicate it for female. So we are having this. So now let us now consider male. Male is going to give us male is ratio 2, which is going to be 2/5 multiplied by 30. And the 5 goes in 30 in the 6. We have 2 multiplied by 6, which is equal to 12. So this is for female, and this is for male. So let us now go back to the question now. A, if the ratio of the number of female teacher to the number of male teacher is 3:2, so therefore there is a 12 male teacher at the school. 12, we have 12. So which means this statement is correct. We have correct statement. So now we need to consider B. So let us consider B. Suppose, so we have the question on the screen. So Peter will be X hours. We don't know, as given from the question. And Paul will be X/2 hours from the statement. And when we read the question very well, we can see that after reading the statement now, then the Paul takes 2x hours to paint the room. This one is wrong because it's supposed to be half of x to paint the room. So this is wrong. So we need to consider the statement C as well. So let us consider C. We are given 3 1/5 ratio 5:1/3 to be equal to 3:5. So let us prove it. We need to convert this one to improper fraction. So when we convert it to improper fraction, we are going to have 16/5 ratio 16/3. This one implies that, so when we have a ratio, we have a 16/5 divided by 16/3. So we can change the division to multiplication, so which will give us 16/5 multiplied by, immediately you change it, we have to change this one as well, which is 3/16. So you can see this one we go for this one, 16 we go for 16. We are going to left with 3/5. So 3/5, we can still write it in form of ratio, which is the same as 3/5. So which means this statement is also true. So let us go back to our question. Our C is also correct. So the last one is the D, so which we need to consider. So let us use this one for D. So this is D. So we have 0.5% of 250 equal to 125 from the equation. So let us prove it whether it's true or not. So it's 0.5 divided by 100 multiplied by 250. So when we use our calculator, or let us do it here, this, we go for this. So 0.5 divided by 10 multiplied by 25. Don't forget to put equal to. So when you use the calculator, we are going to have 1.25. We can see that 1.25 is not equal to 125. So which means this statement is also false. So let us indicate it there before we conclude. So this is also wrong. Now we only have A and C as a correct statement. So therefore, only A and C are correct. So let us go and indicate it. So where is the A and C? A and C. So this is the answer for question 11.